Hi everybody, and welcome back to McLaren Greenwich. My name is Nick Leiningen, and today we have a really special automobile for you. We have a 1 of 25 McLaren MSOHS. I'm going to take you through some of the exclusive features and show you what the car is all about. Being such a unique vehicle, McLaren wanted to do something even more special for each owner. What they did was allow them to work directly with our MSO team, or McLaren Special Operations, to spec the car exactly how they wanted. So none of the 25 vehicles are going to look the same. For instance, this specific example is finished in our jet black paint with orange accents. Here at the front of the vehicle, you immediately notice several MSO options that are included on this build. Starting with the carbon fiber hood, which of course takes several pounds away from the overall weight. The car itself is 88 pounds lighter than the 675 LT, which itself was 220 pounds lighter than the 650. So quite a substantial weight savings there. Lower third of the vehicle, you see the beautiful carbon fiber splitter, which is accented by quite a few orange pinstripes and some added aero for increased downforce on the vehicle. The orange pinstripes, of course, are carried on throughout the car. Continuing the theme of orange accents, you see the wheels are painted in a really nice 5-spoke pattern with some carbon fiber center caps, and the fronts are 19s, backs being 20s, obviously track ready with that setup there. More of the carbon fiber on the side sills here, and moving to the rear wing, which I think is something really special. It may seem fixed, but it actually is an active wing, which is just some added downforce, which actually produces 485 pounds of downforce at 150 miles an hour. So some pretty substantial downforce there. Now, while McLaren hasn't disclosed much about the MSOHS, we do know that the engine is going to be the same as the 675 LT and the 650S with the 3.8 liter twin turbo V8. However, this has been tuned all the way up to 678 horsepower while keeping the 516 pound-feet of torque like the 675 LT. Also fitted with a brand new titanium exhaust, which over time will change color, which I think personally makes it pretty cool. And you also have, of course, the orange accents on the tips, as well as orange pinstriping around the really nice full carbon fiber diffuser. Now, the orange accents clearly did not end on the exterior of the vehicle. They continue onto the interior with some really nice accents, including the steering wheel itself, the paddle shifters here, the vent bezels, along with the seat belts, and even the stitching in the seats. So some really nice accents that are complemented by some nice lightweight Alcantara racing seats and quite a bit of carbon fiber as well. One additional feature to point out is the inclusion of the track telemetry system by McLaren, which includes several cameras throughout the interior, as well as an app that you can record all of your lap times around the track, so you can take full advantage of your MSOHS out on the track. Now, adding to the weight savings and the aesthetic of the vehicle is the full carbon fiber roof, which of course you see has a roof scoop that is not only there for aesthetics, but is quite functional as well to funnel air into the turbos of that twin turbo V8. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this stunning 688 MSOHS behind me. If you have any questions about the vehicle, you can reach out to myself, Nick, or anybody else here at McLaren Greenwich, or feel free to visit us in person at 348 West Putnam Avenue, and you can take a look at the vehicle for yourself. Hope to see you guys soon.